Hello friends, myself Dr. Manoj Sharma. So a long standing demand has been there that we should come out with a test series. Okay. So fine, for the benefit of the students, this is the test series which I have launched on the platform of ACube IAS. What is unique about this test series and where we are focusing in this test series is that we are trying to give you an idea that how actually questions are asked. If I say what is the rationale, so we are trying to give an idea how the questions are asked, and as I have almost 20 years of experience in public administration and number of my students already are in civil services, you will be benefited by learning in a lesser time, understanding that what exactly UPSC is looking for, where UPSC aims, that you will be getting an idea. See, many test series are there. This is what I have seen, number of them are there, and I will not comment on any of them, but I will talk about what we are doing. We will prepare the students who have already completed their syllabus with me or somewhere else. In terms of understanding, I will be giving you the theme, then we will be testing you, and after 1 week we will be having the test discussion once you will receive all of your answers checked. In the discussions we will provide you with that how actually question should have been answered with the important points. So you come to know that where you missed and where you have gone right. Checking is the most important thing in any test. Okay, this is how we are going. Let me just give you a glance of seeing that how tests are planned. Okay, here we will be giving you a break after this so that you can appear for your pre, and then again we will resume with the test. Friends, for whom this test series will work, two types of candidate this test series can be very helpful. Those who have already covered the syllabus and want to get a schedule that how they prepare it in a time bound frame without getting disturbed for their preparation for other things. So that's one of the objective also of test series, that you get an opportunity to revise. More importantly, you also get an understanding that where I was thinking and where the examiner may be looking for, that you are expected to write the answers. What inclusions I failed to have, where I should include, that all will become important and useful. Right, friends? So this is where you are seeing that how things will emerge. This is our test series. Let me just give you an idea. A test series is totally based upon the quality of questions asked, because number of questions can be framed by seeing the previous year questions. We will try to keep the questions on a pragmatic platform so that you actually are dealing with the type of questions which UPSC will be asking. Bogus and waste content we will be saving you from. Otherwise, repetitive questions on Taylor, on Woodrow Wilson. Yes, question on Woodrow Wilson again can come, but with a touch of some pragmatic ideas. There they actually, so that they can have your opinion about. Otherwise, everyone will be writing almost the same answer. This is what you will be learning with me. Number of you already have covered your optional with me. Okay, hundreds of you must have covered optional with me. For them, it is a great boon. It is also a great boon for those candidates who might have covered PubAd with someone else or those who are doing it on self. Because testing is something that is very important whenever you are going for anything. That am I somewhere matching or not? Okay, I give you a theory. Let's say valence into instrumentality into your expectancy. When we are maintaining all this VER, it is also important that you get regular feedbacks. Porter and Lawler model students of PubAd immediately will say, no, that makes sense. So test series is totally directed towards your success, and that's why I have launched it for the first time, so that my students and other students as well, all are welcome. They really get a fair chance to compete at the examination. The test series will actually constitute of 10 tests in total, where I will give you an idea, and because discussions are there, so I will also give you an idea what actually examiner can ask associated with this question, because a new question can be asked. That is always possible. That is what you need to comprehend when you are dealing at the test series. So I invite you all for this test series. It will be as per the schedule that has been provided. Yes, copies will be checked by me. Okay, thousands of you already know my handwriting, so don't worry about that. You will be seeing the copies are checked by me, and when I give you low scores, you yourself will understand, yes, they have been checked by me. So don't be worried about low scores. I will also tell you the actual score could have been this. But the idea is we will be shaping your behavior. That's where the test series is we are presenting to you. You can always contact at A-Cube IAS to find out more about it. It will be available online also. You will find out the content from the web series, okay, their website and other things, where you will find out the entire. I will show you in this video also that how the tests are planned. This is how we are going to take. This is how you are going to take the tests. And then ultimately, this is Sunday, okay? This 5th September is Sunday. That one thing you can just check out. And then finally, you will be finishing it on 31st of October. This will be as per your convenience also once we are in, but this is a schedule for it. This only can change, rest nothing will change. If you will say keep both the tests on 17th Sunday, we will keep both of them on 17th Sunday. If you want them on 20th, we can have both of them on 20th. This is where we will definitely have your input as well. Fine friends, so about me, those who are not my students, I am friends Dr. Manoj Kumar Sharma. I have been teaching public administration for almost 2 decades, okay, and number of students have been helped with the type of teaching I have. I have been a practitioner, so I have good idea about the things, that how do they go ahead and where they are asked. I will surely take you from basic information level to UPSC level. Rest, your hard work is required. Good luck to all of you. Thank you very much.